Want to backup your entire Google Workspace mailbox to PST but don't have Outlook installed? No worries. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to export your Gmail emails or Workspace mailbox directly to PST format using one of the most trusted tools, that is MailsDaddy Gmail Backup Tool. Here I will demonstrate full version of the solution to export entire mailbox from Gmail to Outlook PST format. If you are trying to free demo edition, then it will allow you to download up to 20 emails per folder. So let's dive in and secure your Gmail data like a pro. But before using backup tool, first we need to create an app password for Google Workspace. This is an essential step because Google does not allow to access mailbox using default Gmail password. To know the steps of generate app password, click on I button. Now we move to download the MailsDaddy Gmail Backup Tool. For that, go to browser and search MailsDaddy Gmail Backup Tool. Click on free download and install it. Follow the screen to install successfully. When it is done, we are ready to download Google Workspace Mailbox into PST email, Mbox and various formats. Click on Finish and run MailsDaddy Gmail Backup Tool. Enter license key. Click on Activate. Here you can see the license key registers successfully. The tool close and open automatically. Now click on Add Account and enter your credential. Enter your app password. You can also save the credential for future migration. Click on Add Account. The tool will connect securely to your mailbox. Once connected, all your Gmail folders like Inbox, Sent, Draft, etc. will be loaded into the software. Click on the Export button. Select the data. Here I select all and select the PST format. You can also choose the date filter to filter out data between this to that. And batch size. You can also choose the batch size where 500 is fast and 5 is slow. Select the destination path and export. Here you can see the data has been started to export. You can also abort the process by click on this option. Here you can see the data has been exported successfully. Click OK. So that's how you can export Google Workspace and Gmail Mailbox to PST without installing MS Outlook. Use the free demo to try it out and get full access with the paid version to export unlimited Gmail and other IMAP based email client data. Again, I would like to remind you that demo version allows you to export only 20 emails per folder for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech and tips and how-tos. Download link and detailed guide is in the description below. Thanks for watching.